I'm Brandon Mike Jack Music, and I'm stopping on your timeline just to give you some words of encouragement. I don't know who it is who's about to apply for a new job. I don't know who it is who likes to cook and maybe you want to open up that catering business, or maybe you want to be a beautician or a barber and you want to get your license. Whoever it is, make sure you go how to do it. Don't be afraid. Step out there in faith. Just like Jesus was walking the water, Peter said, God, can I walk with you? And he said, yeah, come on. So whoever it is, don't be afraid to step out there and believe it's gonna happen and you have good success, all right? And I'm gonna give you this song that I always listen to when I have activities or projects that I'm doing. And sometimes I'm a little nervous. Well, it's a song by Donald Lawrence and the Tri-City Singers, and it's called Oh Peter. And it goes, oh Peter, Peter, don't be afraid. That's what Jesus said. He said, oh Peter, talking about Peter, Peter, don't be afraid. So whoever you are, don't be afraid. I'm gonna drop the song on the next slide, so you make sure you check it out whenever you are. Be encouraged, don't be afraid. It's yours.